Atlantic. Ayan, Jimmy is our tour guide.
Yeah.
My husband.
So,
I love you. So, we're here inside. Ayan, live again. Live again. Atlantic hurricane this year. Ayan, mayroon silang babayaran niya lahat? Babayaran niya lahat? Magbigay na lang ako, hayaan mo na. Wow, Alberta. Sweetie, siya lang nag-hold mo nga, ganyan. Sa anuin mo si Luisa. Kasi i-fold ko lang yung hair ko kasi yung magulo.
Okay, you pay. Ako na magbayad eh.
Hindi, babayaran kita. Pag
Kuya, I will pay.
Go there, okay there. You pay all? What you pay? For myself. For yourself. Vigilia, si welcome, bienvenue. Bienvenue. Hurricane Atlantic Museum. Andito na naman ako, guys. Huwag kayo magsasawa kasi pag pinicturan ko lahat ito, hindi kakayanin ng storage ko, guys. Kaya kailangan kong mag-live. May magmanood man o wala. But kung manood ka, lucky ka kasi talagang just wait. Pag mayroon na akong time na babalikan ko lahat ito. Kasi ito museum, guys. Malaking museum. How much ga?
87 na.
Lahat?
So, nag-isa ko.
Mag-isa ka eh.
No, I have to maintain my...
Oh.
Because I have school.
Okay, I know. Nasaan na sila? Let's go! Oh, I don't know where we start. This is the end exit now. Okay, that's the end exit. So we're gonna start here. Yeah, this is memories, guys, and our trip here. Marine Heritage. So nakabili na kami kanina ng gifts. Ipapakita ko na lang, bibidyoin ko na lang yung gifts na nabili namin. Si Jimmy, mga poster ng postcards from Nova Scotia. Might be I'm gonna get one for my sister in Greece. Oh, gift shop. Another gift shop. Oh, this one, you see, guys, I show you. See all the boat. Shout out everyone. Happy blessed morning. Happy blessed Thursday morning. I like that pink one. Ayan, guys. So makikita nyo ngayon, guys, dito sa museum. All boats, antiques buildings. Ayan, nakikita yung mga antiques buildings. Ayan. Another gift shop again there. So, it's volunteer model work. Ayan yung mga boat. Kikita nyo, guys, yung mga malalaking boat. Sana magtagal yung ko, guys, yung battery ko. Ayan. At saka pwede ka ding dito, Luisa, pwedeng mag-picture din. Ayan, yung malalaking boat na ginamit nung 80s, 70s, 60s, mga ganyan. So, ito. Tapos, aakyat kami yan sa taas. Ayan, nag-aakyat sila. Tapos, mayroong doon. Ga, ang ganda. Pwede ka mag-take picture na ito. O, picture mo ako dito ga. Dito, aakyat ako dito. Picture ako dyan. I-picture kita dito ba eh? Tapos picturean mo din ako mamaya. Ay, ang ganda ba eh? Sulo mo. Oo. Maganda ba eh? Saka habang nagla-live ako, magpipicture ako guys. Kasi para mayroon silang remembrance. Ayan, magpicture kami dyan ni kuya mo.
Yeah, that's what they were talking about. Yep, Halifax explosion. Take more than one? Take more than one?
Ito be, mag-stand ka dyan be.
Ang ganda.
I had my hand up, but you can't see it.
Yeah.
What she say?
You put you like that.
Huh?
You can't see it.
You're so silly.
That's what I said.
But another one here, kuya.
Here,
Yeah.
we're gonna take
Now
you.
see.
We're gonna take you picture there.
Si kuya. Kayo muna.
Ikaw. Pa. Dito tayo dalawa. Oh, wala man. Wala man yung camera. There we go. Magpicture pa kasi yung dalawa. Ayan. Wow, ang ganda be. Ang ganda be. Galingan mo. Mag-post ka dyan. Smile. Sana tinanggal mo yung eyeglass mo. Tanggalin mo. Yan. Hindi, babae. Tanggalin mo na. Okay. Perfect. O, kuha mo din kami ni kuya mo dyan, banda. Sweetie, come here. Si Kwan. Dito, banda. Oh.
Me and my camera.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
Oh, we haven't even done this yet.
Oh, that one. Okay. I go in that outside. Pasensya na kayo guys kasi tourist kami ngayon dito. Kaya I will show you all the... You see guys how pretty it is. And then this is a very antique and memorable happening here in Halifax. Ayan. Explosion and the narrow than less narrow. So, this is the old days, guys. See the old days? This is the history of Halifax. Help me here, sweetie. How to elaborate all of this.
The Halifax explosion. She's doing a tour now.
Okay. Ang dami. Ang ganda guys. I could not explain how it's beautiful is, but I hope it's enough for you to see all of this, right? It's so beautiful. So this is the family. They have 2 girls from Alberta. So it's beautiful, guys. Okay. I'm gonna take you picture. Okay, give me yan. That one. You're gonna set up. 4 kayo dyan, maganda. Ipa-preview. Tapos na. Ganyan ba yung gusto mo? It's okay. Ganyan ba gusto mo? Angle? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Smile. Okay. I get a lot. So that ipapaprim mo to, bay.
Sana.
Oo, papaprim mo yan. Maganda. Kasi si Jimmy kasi nandun na, narinig na ng mga tour guide.
Iluwi akong din ka to.
Dito yung tour guide. Dito yung tour guide. Come here. Yung tour guide. Dito.
Siya ka
Oh, 1917 Halifax Harbor. Ito siya. 1917 Halifax Harbor disaster. La catastrophe in 1917 Dasley Port, Halifax. Oh, my friends siya, guys, ha. Pero pinaghirapan ko yun. So, this is 1917, the explosion of Halifax Harbor. Ayan, the two ship, they collide each other. That's the story of Jimmy last night.
Yes.
So, because my husband is born here in Nova Scotia, so another introducing there, pumpkin. So it's all this one is happening 1917. Lahat ng mga ginamit nila noon, Louie, look, they preserve all. They preserve all, eh?
Yeah.
So this is the preserve that came from the ship. See, guys? It's from the ship. So, these all items here. Oh, they gonna go upstairs now? So, this is so explosion December 6, 1917. So this is the items that they preserved from the ship. Oh, yan na lang. Ito na lang yung mga natira, guys, from the ship they discovered. Yan. Nasa ano kami siya, guys, museum. Nasa museum. Old museum kami. Excuse me, sir.
Sorry. Is that?
Ayan. Very historic place for the William Hall BC. So, the American and the English, England. Did you see, guys, there? That's the two ship. It's burned, guys. Tingnan na focus it. There. You see, guys? So, oh my God, this is big museum. Could not explain. So that is the founding of the Halifax. Oh my God. This is a big one. You see, guys? all the historical here of I will show you something here. African Nova Scotian migration map. So Africa, dumating din sila dito. So all of these guys is the memories of the explosion of the harbor and Halifax. I don't know where I am now, but I'm still keep going. It's connected in the other side. Oh, sinong mayroon ng ganito? Ayan yung ginagamit ng panghuli ng frog. Ba't ginagamit yan sa barko noon? Ayan. Plastic strap basket, while material used to basket try may change over time. Remains unique. Ayan. Guys. Thank you, Rufian Sayed. Mega love shout out. So, yung mga ibang kasama ko, alam ko pumunta na sila sa taas. So, I gonna go upstairs so that I keep going vlogging. So, they go upstairs, I think. They don't wait the tour guide. They go upstairs already. So, this is the upstairs. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo yung mga boat. Oh, nandito na sila. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. So, dito nyo makikita yung yung mga construction ng mga material na ginawa sa barko noong 1917. Oh, Louie, what you doing?
This is a steam engine.
Steam engine?
For the firewood, wood, and to create a steam. To heat the water and create a steam.
Oh.
Bakit sira pa kami?
That's cool.
I'm a seaman.
si Manluluko. So, ito lahat guys. Ito yung nila, nasagip nila sa two ship, they collide in the harbor of Halifax. Ayan. Pero yung mga iba dyan, ginawa lang nilang display. RMS Carinthia 21989 cross tons. What, 19?
When the disaster happened, 1917.
1917. So this is the ship.
No.
No, it's not. Other
Do
ship.
you see there? This look like
This is,
Titanic.
This is the Lady Rodney.
Lady Rodney. What 19?
There's no.
Oh, lalaki ng mga ship.
Steam. It's
probably
older.
Look at that pumpkin.
I'm trying to look at everything, but
No, I video it. You can watch again my live and then you will see everything in here. But except that reading, because you read a lot. Holy God, this is nice. So what is this? They collect them all from the ship?
different ship.
Different ship? Oh, everything parts of the ship. The lighthouse.
That one there would float in the water.
What? The float on the water.
That one
This
there
one?
would float in the water.
Oh, really? It's floating, that
No,
one?
No, that would be fastened. I thought that was a.
And it is
floating
the
one.
light one. Range light. Abutin kami dito ng siyam-siyam, guys. Pag yung asawa ko, binasa niya lahat yung mga nandyan na nakasulat. Ang dami. Mahilig kasi siya magbasa. Kaya, I will show you here. The lamp. This is the lamp. Any kind of lamps that antique, guys, is very antique. I like this. I like collecting like this lamp. Lamp of life. Ayan, guys. You will see at the bottom. It's a little bit dark, the light in here, but still you can see. It's very antique, historical museum. Everything in here. Oh, look at this, guys. Mga baol. Foghorn. Look at these lights. Very beautiful.
Siluwi lang siman.
So what is this, pumpkin?
Patingin ng ano mo tayo, Lai. Wow.
My life.
Ay!
You're so beauty in here. Oh, I like this. Come on, Crystal. I like this. The old days, we have one like this. Baol.
Oh, there's
See?
a gold bar.
Yeah, see cheese. They said, I like that.
Gold bar scattered already.
Yeah. You can hide the gold over there in the ship.
Tingnan mo sa kung nag-
I love it. It's big. Oh, I have one like this in the house.
Where you buy?
That is a wine container. They put only string. Isn't pumpkin?
Jug.
Yeah, it's a jug. I have that. I have 3 collection that like that. They put beer on it inside or wine
Now you had Contigo.
or apple. Yeah, I have antique in the house like that too.
I think they drink in the boat.
Yeah, they are drink in the boat.
There's a party.
Yeah, mostly. This is telescope. Any kind of telescope in the ship, they can use. This one. They have a flag. Every ship, they have a flag over here. See how organized the flag. Oh my God, it's too much to see. My gosh. Oh, come here, Crystal. They have a laboratory here. This is the old what's this? Lavatory. Lavatory toilet. It's old one. Did I pronounce right? Lavatory? Yeah, lavatory. Yeah, it is. You see, guys. So that's it. The sinking anxious moment, but always saved. 1914 Quebecois.
Quid.
What? Oh yeah, Quebecois. It's hard to pronounce, guys. A lovely little liner playing her trade in the Caribbean. Ayan, guys. Very nice. Yes, it's French. Bonsoir, bonjour, mademoiselle.
Salad.
Bonjour. What kind of ship was she? Archaeological data show that the vessel was a schooner, a rare early example of one of the most important types of vessel in colonial North America. She was fishing vessel, and even the fish told a surprising story. Really?
It's so hard.
Yeah.
Ate, what is this? Dead
Eye tell a tale. You see guys, dead eye. Oo nga, nasira nga yung isang mata niya, di ba?
Dead eye ng what?
Oh, I don't know. Two dead eye and their attachment were found. Dead eyes form parts of the rigging. Their location in the wreck and evidence that Terrace Bay vessel was so schooner, two mates for an up-rigged vessel.
Ate, what? But they don't tell what the red eyes is the man or
No, it's not. That one, that thing.
Oh, the
That thing that they
yeah.
put connect in the ship. What is in here? The divers. Let me see.
Ate,
What?
you need to try to read the French.
The French?
On Achoviti, Capsiti, Moton,
Descaf de Moton Parliance.
Parties do
On Etrobe, Diox,
Green,
Cap de Montron Parties de Agreement, de Orbeoler
Why?
Accessories.
This is a friend.
Leor presents Ruben Que Le de Bear Escofres de Torres Bay. Is on got that sweat on diet meat and great men antique and Enrique o Kire. See? See, por favor. That is Chinese. Miss Mercy Buko. Oh, this is the old. S'il vous plaît, mademoiselle. I'm not in perfect in French though. I like it. I like it. We're trying our best, guys.
This is your first time
Huh?
you came here.
Yeah, this is the first time. We came here all the time, but this is the first time we see the museum. So we're getting. I think we done all this. We done all here. Oh, it's echoing over there. It's oh. I love it. I'm gonna try this one, guys. So find the other end, inspect to a friend. So sabi nito, guys, boys pipe. So this boys pipe goes over there and there.
Yeah.
The other side.
He's waiting for you. You can,
Yeah, that
oh,
does.
he's leaving.
So find the other end and speak to a friend. Trusbes, outre, extremites, esparles, equatrium. So, eto mag-i-speak ako dito, guys. Hello! Did you hear that? Oh. Okay, you can go there in the other side. So that we experience a lot of things, craziness in here, everything. So Louis now, our friend Louis is there. So. Oh yeah. Oh, say, get another one. Get talk. Please talk. Come on, talk. Louis, talk.
Oh yeah, I hear you.
Did you hear that, guys? Hello, Louis.
We're ready to sail.
Did you hear that, guys? Hello, Halifax. I love it.
Let's go, Pen.
Oh, let's go down. We're done here. So we're done here, guys. So that's all my tourists for today for you guys. So I'm gonna clip some here. So we are, you see that the first time when I enter, this is the first enter. So I'm gonna show you all the ship. Any kind of ship, guys. Any kind of boat. Ibang klaseng bangka, guys. Ayan, yung mga bangka. Ayan. Na naglalayag sa dagat. So, I explained to you. Every kind of boats. Oh, they are outside. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you outside. I see outside here, guys. I'm gonna go outside here. I'm gonna show them. So, that's the other part. That's the other parts, guys. You will see. I love here the museum, guys, because there's no music at all. So, nothing to worry. I have the own sounds. Oh, here the outside, guys. I will show you here the outside. It's beautiful, but it's building, guys. But you can see the ship over here in the harbor. So here the front water. This is live, guys. Okay, this is live. So there, it's through boat. It's a big boat ship. So I don't know if it's shipping boat or army boat, but it's still a big boat. So here you will see, guys. So that is the big ship, and the other one is big for tourists, guys. You see the flag of Canada and other country, guys, there. So this is very long harbor waterfront, guys. So did you see all that stuff there down? All that's the use for the ship. Ayan, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for engaging, guys. So lots of people now. So many people now, guys. Ayan, shout out to Bangladesh, to all my stars in there. Thank you so much. I love you all, guys. Thank you. Ayan, guys. I have 10 days more to show you around Nova Scotia. This is Nova Scotia Harbor, Halifax. So we go back now here. Just leave a message in comments, guys. I will reply you later if we are in the car. But I use the data. I have tons of data used this time. So we're back here inside. Bae, you go there and take a picture there, Bae. Good. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Yeah. So I'm gonna end up now, guys. The two girls is tired. No, this is pretty, go. It's very pretty. Okay, guys. Bye. Shout out everyone. Okay, just a moment. Nagulo pa kasi yung hair ko eh. I'm gonna show my face to you, guys. Here we go. Hello, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you engaging, and thank you to all my star sender. I love you all, guys. Bye-bye.